my great friends, welcome again to another video tutorial. And for today's video, I want to show you how you can change app name or icons on your Android phone. Maybe you want to personalize your phone by hiding the apps, either by changing the name of the app or changing the icon of the app. Now I'll just show you the simplest method, the simplest way you can do this. On this video tutorial, I've just taken the simplest way you can do this. But before I go to the tutorial, let me give a shout out to my new subscribers, to my members who are already subscribed, to those who are listening, to those who are watching. Welcome to my channel. Now, for you to change any icon or the name of the app on your Android, just use this method. Use a launcher. So you have to go to a Play Store, install any launcher app. On this part of my tutorial, I would advise you to use this launcher app known as Nova. Just go to your Play Store, then download, install. It is known as a Nova launcher. Just tap to install the launcher. As you can see, tap on install. Install the launcher app. It is known as the Nova. I'll give a link to download or to install the app on this video description. When you install the app, just go to your phone settings. So go back to your phone settings, then set this launcher as your default launcher. Just go to your phone settings, tap on settings, then go directly to apps, tap on apps, then scroll to get the launcher app that you have installed. You tap on it, then you set it as your default. Just make it as your default launcher. Tap to choose it. Now, when you want to change now the name or the icon of any app, tap on the app, any app that you want to change the name or the icon. For example, I can choose Facebook. You tap and hold the app that you want to change the name, then you tap on edit. You tap on edit. This one now, when you want to change the name, you can just give the name of your choice. For example, you can give my Facebook name as FB. Then again, when you want to change the icon, just tap it, then choose any photo on your gallery. Choose any photo that you want to be as the image. Just put any photo on this part, You can choose any of your choice. For example, take this one, then you just reshape it the way you want it to appear, then click done. After that, again you click done. You know that the icon and the name has changed. As you can see, you can change as many as you wish. If you want to change any other, you just continue in the process. You repeat the process. You change the name or the icon as you wish. That is all about for tutorial today. If you have enjoyed, leave a comment, share and like. Thank you for today. We meet again